Hello, students of class 8. Students, as we are revising the first chapter, Computer Network, in this chapter, we have studied about network and its maintenance, about means like what types of the devices we need to establish a network. And now, today, we will read about the types of topology. So let us start about the topology. Students, we find here network topology. Topology is the term used to describe the way through which computers are connected in a network. The physical topology of a network refers to the layout of the cabling, links, and nodes in connecting devices to form a network. Each topology is used for specific tasks and has its own advantages and disadvantages. The students, we can see here about the line topology first here. The line topology, you can see here, this is a line topology, and you can see this is a called the nodes A, B, C, D, E. This is a node means computer. When computer, individual computer, connect to other computer in networking, that is called the node here. So this is a here node, and these nodes are connected to each other in a line sequence wise. That is called the line topology. And this is the very simplest type of the topology, and you can extend very easily by the starting and by the ending side here. So this is the here the line topology, and this is the main cable which is connected to each other here. This is a, you can see here, this is a main cable here to connect with one another. And if in the cable means if the cable breaks somewhere in the middle in the network, the whole network will be shattered down. So it means this is the very main cable, very you can say important cable of this network. Means you can say also this is a backbone, you can say. In bus topology, all nodes are connected to a by single line here cable, same like here single line, but we can see here the difference in the bus topology. In line topology, all nodes connected to each other in a single cable. Here is also the all the nodes connected in a single cable, but the all nodes individually connected by the central nervous system, central part of this nervous system of network. This is nervous system, you can say, or you can say this is the backbone of the network. So here advantages: if any individual nodes disconnect from the network, then the all network will function. Means all network will not shatter down. So it is a it is a advantages. And disadvantages: if any you can say if cable breaks down, if a cable breaks down in the middle part of the network, the whole network breaks down. So it is a here disadvantages too. So but here is a advantages. If any nodes will disconnect, then all the whole network will function. Okay, now next topology, ring topology. In this type of network, each nodes are connected to each other in a circle, and the function, I mean the data flow from one node to another node in a clockwise or anti-clockwise. So here this is type of the network is connected to other nodes of a network. The first and the last node is also connected to each other, thereby forming a right. The data flows from one node to the next node in a circular manner in a single direction. Advantage of ring network: the ring network cannot have any routing problem as data will be received by every node. Means if the data move from A node, then it will be to move to B. There's a no routing problem. There's a no any problem to flow data from one end to the another end here, because all the nodes are connected to each other in a circular shape here. Disadvantage: the whole network can shut down if a single connection gets broken. So here, if the single cable breaks down or disconnect, then the whole network will be shattered down here. So here, the star topology, we can find here the star topology. In this network, each node, here we can say each node are connected directly to the central network here, and central network or hub or connector, you can say here. The data on a star network passes through the hub or connector before reaching its destination. So it means the data on a star network passes through the hub or connector before reaching its destination. And this is the central hub. This is called the main device of the network. If this device, if this you can say node fail, then the whole network will be shattered down. Or if any individual node disconnect from the main hub, then whole network will function. So here is a comparison, the set of the star topology. It needs more cable as compared the line, bus and ring topology. Now next here, the tree topology. You can see the shape of the tree topology here. In this topology is a combination of linear, bus and star topology. You can see here the combination of the linear, line, bus and star topology. It consists of the group of stars configured workstation connected to a linear bus backbone cable. So in this type of the networking, we find here the some nodes act as individual servers as serves as and have the branches which given a shape of the tree here. So here we can find also these are the shape like as a branch of a tree, and the tree topology generally used when there are the chances of the expansion in the extension. So if they this is a setup, this network setup, why because if there any chances to extend the network in the future, then they then you can set up, then you can establish this type of the network here. We find here the mesh topology. Mesh topology, we find there's no any exact shape, there's no any definite shape. Each nodes are connected to the other nodes randomly here, and we and the router and the route for the data or flow the data information in a mesh topology in a not a definite shape, not in a definite form. So in this topology, we find also if the breakdown in a cable or device, to may or may not affect the entire network. Fully connected topology. In fully connected topology, we find here all the network, all the nodes are connected to each other by the cables here. So if any individual nodes disconnect from the network, so then that node will continue with the other cable here. You can see here A, B, E, C, D are connected to each other by the different cables here. If the A, D and A disconnect to each other, then this A nodes can be accessed by here the DEA, means by this cable. So here the chances of disconnections of the nodes from other is a you can say very less. And for the example here, you can see it is given also here, the breakdown of the cable connecting A and C information can still be exchanged between them through B or D or E here. So this is a type of the fully connected topology, is a most complicated than other topology, but advantages of the this topology connected to each other by the other cables here.